So number 14 goes over graphing functions in intercept form. Remember, when it's factored like this is intercept form. We talked about that for a long time. So let's break each part of this down one at a time. We didn't get to talk about this -3 out in the front, so I'll get back to that in a second, but we did talk a lot about these things. Remember, these are how we find the x-intercepts. We're going to take each of those pieces down here and solve them after we set them equal to 0. Hopefully that's ringing some bells on how you solve for intercepts here. Little bit of easy algebra. We get that one of the x-intercepts is at -2, and the other one is at +1. Okay, now this -3 out in front, that is kind of like the a value in vertex form that we've been talking about, which means it makes it, first of all, the negative sign means it reflects, so it's going to be upside down. The 3 means that it's going to be skinnier than we normally see, so this would be like our normal parabola. The 3 means it's taller and skinnier than we're used to. So let's start looking at our options. First of all, because of that negative sign, it needs to be upside down. So I actually already know that A and D are out because they're not upside down. Now I want to find ones that have x-intercepts at -2 and +1. Okay, well, B has one at -2 right there, and that's +1. Let's check C. This one's at 1 and +2, so that one doesn't work. And even if I wanted to double check, I could look at these other ones. Letter A does have the -2, +1, but again, it's not upside down, so that's why it's wrong. And then D has the wrong intercepts and it's not upside down, so definitely not correct. So it has to be option B. It's got the correct x-intercepts. And because that negative out in front, it is upside down from what we normally see.